Welcome everyone, my name is Professor Alex Giannidis and this is Celestial Happenings for December 2025. Let's get started. First up for the month of December, we have the full moon on December 4th. It is going to be the third supermoon in a row. So remember that we had supermoons in October and November as well. And for this month, the name of the full moon is the cold moon. I'll let you figure out why it has that name. The next event of note for December is going to occur on December 7th. It is going to be Mercury at its greatest western elongation. So of course, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, so it's never far away from the sun. And so when it's at greatest elongation, whether it's eastern or western, that's usually your best chance to get a glimpse of it. So on December 7th, you're going to want to check it out. Looking east just before sunrise, you should see a brightish looking star, and that's going to be the planet Mercury. Following the greatest elongation of Mercury, we have actually the first of two meteor showers that are going to be taking place in December. The first one being the Geminid meteor shower. As with all meteor showers, it takes its name from the fact that most of the meteors or shooting stars are going to appear to originate from the constellation of Gemini. This is going to peak on the night of December 14th. The moon will be about a third illuminated, so that might hinder your observing a little bit, but at its peak, the Geminid meteor shower can produce up to about 120 meteors per hour. Next, on December 21st, we have the winter solstice. So the solstice is going to be the shortest day of the year. And fun fact, the word solstice comes from the Latin for sun stopping. And that's because it is on the solstice, on both the winter and summer ones, that the sun stops going in one direction. So in the winter solstice, that means it's going to stop going more south in the sky and going to start heading further north, going further up in the sky, meaning the days are going to start getting longer. Follow up second fact, that means that days actually grow longer in the winter time because winter officially starts on December 21st, and that's when the days start getting longer. They don't get shorter during the winter. That's a common misconception. Finally, for the month of December, we have the peak of the Ursid meteor shower, our second meteor shower of the month. That's going to happen on December 22nd. So in this case, the radiant is going to be located in the constellation of Ursa Minor, which is colloquially known as the Little Dipper. And that, of course, has Polaris, the North Star, at the end of its little handle. Now, this meteor shower is not as intense as the Geminids. You can only expect about 5 to 10 meters per hour, but you're going to have a lot less illumination from the moon, so you might still get a chance to glimpse some of those shooting stars. With Polaris being the North Star, obviously you want to look directly north in order to check out the Ursid meteor shower. And that wraps things up for this edition of Celestial Happenings. From all the team here, we hope that you have a great holiday season, and we'll see you all in 2026. Until then, clear skies to all of you. Carpe noctem. Seize the night.